Thank you for joining us. Today I have with me Heidi Mackey from Fifth Third Bank. Heidi, thank you for coming.
Thank you. It's a pleasure.
Yeah, great. So Fifth Third Bank, before we get into the whole banking conversation, tell us a little bit about yourself.
Yeah, thank you. So my name's Heidi Mackey. I am the Financial Center Manager at Fifth Third Bank here in Brunswick. And I've been with Fifth Third for a little over 19 years now. I've really made a career out of it. Yeah, and I feel really truly honored to be able to have worked through every position, I think, in the retail bank, starting from teller to banker to licensed banker to now manager. And I really love what I do. I love to help people, and I love to manage my team and just to provide overall growth, not only for the bank, its employees, but as well as our customers and the community as a whole. And I'm also really lucky that I get to work and I get to live in the same place. So it's really nice to work for a place that I'm also really invested in personally.
What a great journey. I love that.
Yeah.
So yeah, that is a great journey. And so you started as teller, and made your way to manager. That is so fabulous.
Yep.
So again, before we get into the business conversation, because we have to, so Fifth Third on Center had a renovation almost or just about a year ago.
Yes. Yeah. It's the banking center is very unique. It's called our next generation design.
I love that.
And we went through what we call a refresh to kind of make things a little bit more current, make banking maybe less intimidating, less stuffy, less scary.
Easy.
The space is very open.
Yeah.
It's designed with some enhanced technologies, some enhanced ways that we can help customers when they come in, whether it be in person or over the phone, different meeting spaces, just a whole new look with a more relaxed setting, giving us the opportunity to meet the customer where they are, and to help them really identify exactly what they need and provide those solutions in a different setting. So if you haven't stopped by, I encourage you to stop by and take a look.
I've been there, and it is beautiful, it's comfortable, and it's just easy. And I mean, people are going in to do their banking, and sometimes that can be a rough thing. So it's good to be in a comfortable situation and being able to talk face to face with a professional.
Definitely.
Yeah, that's so great. So tell us more about Fifth Third as far as as far as your business. You have been in business for a lot of years.
Yeah. So since 1858, we have been providing our customers solutions and helping them bank better. One of our most popular options is our Momentum Banking program. And it's a very comprehensive product suite to help customers with their everyday banking needs, with a really strong digital platform via our mobile banking and our internet banking, and providing some additional securities and things like that, as well as more of an everyday thing through access to the account via debit cards and your normal kind of checking account features. And one thing that's fairly new, we've had it a couple years, is our early pay, where customers are able to receive their paychecks early, which is a really big deal for a lot of people, and exciting. It gives people the flexibility to utilize their money sooner and in ways that they need to. So we're constantly evolving our products and services to meet the customer, where they are, and we're able to tailor those product suites to really help them take their banking and their financial situation to the next level.
Yeah, and I know, just personally, having those abilities for a personal basis, having those abilities is just really wonderful. To be able to go digital, to be able to we don't always have the time to go to the bank, although we need to, and we need to always do those face-to-face, but being able to bank wherever you are, when you need to, can be very important. So that's really great. As far as, so you've been in business since 1858. That's amazing. I didn't realize that. And then where's your footprint as far as, what does your footprint look like outside of Brunswick.
Yeah, so we're a regional bank, and we span Ohio, Michigan, Indiana. I might miss a couple states,
Yeah.
but all the way kind of down to Florida and North Carolina.
Okay.
Florida is a big market for us.
Okay.
They're actually expanding some of that market down in Florida with some new financial centers.
That is so
So that's
great.
very exciting.
That is
And
so
Fifth Third is one of the top 20 largest U.S. bank holding companies and one of the biggest money managers in the Midwest. So
Who knew that? That's
Yeah.
fantastic.
Yep.
Yeah, that's great. Tell us about business banking for Fifth Third.
Yeah, so our business banking at Fifth Third has grown so much over the past couple of years. We've always had a really great business banking product suite, but we've enhanced that so much. Different tools, different resources for our businesses as a whole to do their everyday banking with some treasury management services, really great checking account products, even a little bit of interest in this crazy interest rate environment.
Right.
But we've launched it to the next level, and this is something we've always offered. But helping our businesses help their employees, because these are businesses in the Brunswick community and surrounding communities,
Yep.
and their employees are likely also, Brunswick or surrounding area residents. So we offer something called Membership Advantage, and we can provide benefits to those businesses' employees as well as another benefit that the business owner can provide on top of their health insurance and their 401k options and things like that. And this is completely free to our business customers, and we can even go in and provide education to the business's employees on things like credit or buying a home, or just basic banking 101. And this is, like I said, something that we provide complimentary, and it's a really fun thing to do. And really the ultimate goal is to help our businesses help their employees, but also strengthen the financial situations of all the people around us in the community.
Yeah, that is fantastic. Thank you for coming in and talking to us about Fifth Third.
Thank
I
you.
learned a lot today.
Good.
And I am sure that everybody who listens in is going to learn a lot as well.
Yeah, and I invite, like I said, you spread the word. Even if you just want to check out the banking center and what it looks like, we would love to welcome everybody.
That is so great.
Yep.
Thank you for that.